So you have your neck foam, and you open it. You're gonna get, the pieces are gonna be all stuck together, and you're gonna wanna pop off the bottom piece. You're gonna have the two, these are already attached, you do not need to open these two up. So you're gonna leave these two attached. Now on the foam, you're gonna see there's a short side and a long side. You wanna lay along the long side. So that part is where your shoulders are gonna be, and then your head goes over the top of it, like that. So the way it looks when you're laying down, you wanna have your knees bent. You're gonna take the foam, and you wanna make sure you don't have a bunchy jacket or a hoodie or anything like that. You wanna make sure your hair is out of the way. You're gonna take the long piece, and you're just gonna place it underneath your neck, and just kinda wedge it just so it's tight below the shoulders, but that you're not on top of the back of it. So you don't want your shoulders to be on top of the piece. So if you can see, most people actually put it a slightly too far towards their head. I want you to push it so it's nice and snug below the shoulders. And then you're just gonna relax and breathe. And you're gonna breathe until you feel your body contract, and then it'll relax. Then it'll contract again, and it'll relax. So start out with about 10 breaths until you feel your body kind of calm down. And then to get up off of it, you do not want to sit straight up. So you want to roll to your side, roll your head neutrally, and then come up safely to support your neck. So, and this you don't want to do every day. You want to give yourself a little space in between, so maybe every 2 days. So the key piece is just, again, to make sure that you lay along the long side, and that that component is not actually underneath the shoulders. It's just right up against the top of the shoulders. And then make sure you come up safely.